going, guys? Just a quick tutorial on how to get your hot water system running on your Caravan. Fairly simple. Power on at the front, water pump, water heater on, and your DC outlet on. First thing you want to do, find your gas up, turn it on. Run your outside barbecue so you bleed all your gas out. So once you've got a clean flame going, your gas has been bled. The water pump will now be on. Turn your water pump on underneath there. Run your hot water first. Now when you first do it, run it to you've got a full stream of water coming out of your hot side. You want to bleed all the water out of the stream system. So that 14 litres of water will fill up. You want no water in there, you don't want an airlock. Once you've run your water, come around the opposite side. Pull your Truma cover off so it can vent. Alright, come back inside now. This is your switch panel for your hot water. In the middle it is off. The bottom one is 70 degrees and the top one is 60 degrees. What we do here when we first run these Trumas, we'll go 3 times as a charm. So you run your 70 first, you hear the solenoid click on the Truma, stop it, go back up to 60, wait for it to click, go back down, go to 70 again. Now, if we're lucky, it'll be on. Just a quick check, when you think it's on, put your hands around it, you can feel the warmth out of it. Also the scent of it, you can smell it burn. And if you get down low enough and get a torch, you can actually see the flame on the inside working. That's it, thank you.